Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to make a margarita the way I was taught how to make it here in Baja, California, Mexico by a really nice man at a restaurant at a campground we stayed at. So first you are going to take your lime and go around the rim of the glass to get it wet enough to stick it in your salt or sugar. I like salt better. Next, you are going to squeeze that half of lime so it doesn't go to waste right into your glass. And then after that, put a whole bunch of ice in there so that it stays nice and cold and does get watered down a little bit. Next, I used Raspado tequila, and you're going to do about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 seconds of tequila. That's what that guy did. Very strong margarita, very good though. Next, you're going to do Controy, which is orange liqueur, and do about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 3-4 seconds of the Controy. Next, you are going to take your already squeezed lime juice and pour that in. I used about 5 small limes, which is what the guy used at the restaurant, and then you're going to mix it up so that it gets cooled down, everything gets mixed together, stirred not shaken, and cheers.